Now, one of the coolest options with the 12-volt pump is that you don't have a power, if you don't have a water supply and you need to move some water, pick up that extension that does not come with the power or with the water pump, connect this. All you need to do is connect the hose, drop the other end into your water supply. In this case, it's going to be a bucket of water. Obviously, nothing happens here because there's no power. And now we have power. What does that mean? That means that is going to draw all the way down and give us water. Once again, no power. Let's get that water pressure out. No water. Power. Water. So this is the 7.5 gallon per minute 12-volt powered water pump. Comes with all the attachments you need. It comes with the handle, comes with your hose, comes with an SAE connector. All the adapters are included, as well as a filter for your strainer with a 50 mesh on there. Has your tape, has your hose connector, which will allow you to take these ports, attach a full-size hose, and run the water hose off the other side. Also great if you want to use it for portable showers. Assembly is quick and easy. Your water is going to go through one way. All the attachments show you which way the water flows. There's a indicating arrow to let you know. That is going to be, there is our mesh filter for feeding the water in. This is going to be our hose attachment for connecting the spray hose, which comes with the head, which clicks on here, which has multiple settings. So if you have weak water pressure coming off of the hose, this pump is going to help increase that pressure up to 7.5 gallons per minute, and it simply runs off of 12-volt battery. Look at that. Whether you mount this or whether you leave it unattached, as long as you have your water coming in, you have the battery connected, this will kick on, and this is going to help increase that pressure tremendously.